Wi-Fi naman.
Hi guys.
Wi-Fi naman.
I'm going to Hong Kong. Going to fly. Blah blah blah.
Wala dito eh.
Another video is gone because on accident of pressing that wrong button. Wrong button. Epic fail. So I decided to live again. Oh, you know why it's called again? Because I was the one who was live streaming, and after that the video got gone. I don't know what happened.
Parang tapos?
So
So what?
guys, it's gonna take us for a while, so I'm not gonna take this for a long time, so I'm not gonna live, I'm not gonna video anymore. I'll video later in Hong Kong. Bye.